अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, हमारे पास फ़ोन आया है, नो सर्विस पे है ये।
letting the batter know that there is nothing going to be bowled into the stumps. It just becomes easy. He moves across and places it at will on the offside. And so because you're bowling so wide outside the off stump, you got more protection on the offside. Over 96 or 50 deliveries. We are right at the verge of witnessing the first
नो
100
सर्विस है।
of the ZKB Premier League. And also could be seeing the highest team score up to now. It's looking good, consistently performing for his side, the captain leading from front. And when you've got a captain performing that way,
पहले इसके 2G 3G सर्विस आई, इसी को चेक करते हैं।
that rubs off on your team because then you're in a position to command and demand performances from players. Just ricochets of long bowling.
देखें 3G पे ही नो सर्विस है।
Back on strike. He's on 96.
He wants to go there in style. There's a stop and play. Someone's bowler's injured. Khalid has done something. Hurt himself. Not quite sure what the detail is on that, but there is a break in play while the players get some water refreshments and the man on the screen has been quite
2G 3G 4G कहीं पे भी नहीं आ रही सर्विस।
played in daytime games, hasn't tried out over the balls, played within himself at times, and then when he needed the boundary, he's come up with the goods. Perfect temperatures out there. Four away from get him in the Pakistan team, I say. A lot of experience, and he's been really consistent in the last 4 years, leading run scorer in domestic cricket. Hafiz is watching.
It's so, difficult at times when you play at a certain number as a batter and that position isn't empty in the national side. And that your form probably takes you maximum to that reserves bench. Would go on to but
एंटीना भी इसका रिपेयर हुआ पड़ा,
with the bowlers as well.
वाटर डैमेज आया है ये।
They were a short 11 in the side. Any new bowler has to be really special to have one of them sit
ये
down.
देखें अभी छिड़ा हुआ नहीं है, बिल्कुल अनटच है।
Pakistan had such
बस एंटीना भी रिपेयर हुआ बस, और कुछ नहीं हुआ।
number 12 and 13. Longest time with the Mohammed Yusuf were numbers and Mr. couldn't make it. Longest time into that side with his numbers were so busy. That should be it. Kamalabi gets a boundary and that's the first 100 of the ZKB HPL. Brilliant knock from the captain, just 51 balls for that 100. What a moment for his side, what a moment for him, showing class, showing form, showing experience, and taking his side to the 180s.
What an innings. What a brilliant piece of batting. 100 from just 51 deliveries, 4 sixes. And a few more runs to the boot now. He's going to try and get this team up to 200. It's been an outstanding knock from start to finish. It's not finished. Still got a few more overs to go, and this is how he got there. Watching the way that he played his bowling with real control. He's found the gap. Oh, this one is hit and hit out the ground. That is a biggie.
One knee and I got underneath it. A big six, have a look at that. Just played through, got that right leg out the way.
काका तेरे फोन है जगह ही कहानी तू की में रोल लाइन खती खेले ड्रामे में यूएसबी लिखी अभी
Fast Tigers.
Highest score. Yes. this is another biggie. This is even bigger. The noise off that bat.
Yeah, big over that. 22 of it from Khalid Usman, and Danish Aziz enjoyed it. 101 over me, Danish Aziz 31, and now we have a 199 on the board. Vivo Fast Tigers still have one more over to go. As the tournament is progressing, we are watching sides, understanding the conditions well, bigger scores, closer fought games like last night, the first 100 of the tournament, everything is coming about. 199, Vivo Fast Tigers, 6 balls to go. 101 over me. He's on strike, Imran Randhawa. Now, is he going to have the same ploy, pull it wide outside the off stump? I don't think so, because he's got short third and he's got a short gully. There is nobody with the need to protect. There is a short fine leg as well. Full toss. Everyone in front of the square are in the lead. We'll come back 4 to 200 up. First 200 score, first 200 team score in the tournament. Vivo Fast Tigers 201 now.
About 16 in total during the day, but no one's really mastered that. This is thrashed out to the leg side for another boundary. Runs just blowing.
उसकी शील्ड को उतार रहे हैं.
Runs at the moment, and for Saka Patriots, they've got no answer to this onslaught.
It's a pretty ordinary bowling. That pace, that length, to a batter who's batting at 107, really not going to help you. It's not a ball into the pitch, but this is not working. I'm also thinking, why wouldn't you want to bat on a surface like this when you win the toss? Just going with the flow of what the captains have been doing in this tournament. Win the toss and let's go out and chase. It's not even a night. We'll come out there after Sunday days.
Sometimes when you have a fair, you put yourself under less pressure, which is very under pressure. This one's hit out. Will it be caught this time? It is. It is, and it ends what is quite a magnificent 100 from the skipper. I mean, what a knock he's played. What a contribution. The first 100 of this KPL. Of course, there's congratulations. Everyone around the ground appreciating the type of innings we've seen.
Yeah, we wouldn't mind it. He's going to go after every single ball now from here on. Loses his wicket, but he's done the damage. The captain, after losing toss, was asked to 206. 2 to go. It's an ideal job of bowling his last 2 deliveries. And he gets one. Well, he gets one. That'll be a second wicket. And it's the wicket of Danish. Yeah, that's the right ball to bowl. Pull into the block hole, aiming at the stumps. And his ball line, you decide it. Knew it that I'm going to go after him. I think Danish wasn't in any position to play that to deep wicket where he was extending. The ball was good. If you ball good deliveries, good areas, you will be rewarded. Just like that. 31, good knock of just 16. 206 for 6. So, the last ball of the innings, 206 for 6. Another left hand that comes out. Mahabalahat. The ball just goes in and in the deep for a single, coming back for the second and completes it. So 208 for 6 in the 20 overs, the highest total in the ZKB SPF. And this is how it is. Lost the toss and decided that, okay, if we have to bat first, why not? Enjoy that outing on such a good batting track and the kind of form Umar Amin is in, who got the first 100 off the tournament. And then a quick fire 30 odd of just 16 for Danish Aziz, and up front, Mohammad Sohail giving them a good start. This is a side which looks in good form, looks balanced. They've got a lot of firepower, which is why you see 208 for 6
ये
at
देखें
10.4
इसका
runs
ये
an
वाला
over.
IC सर्विस वाला फटा हुआ है
Time for us to watch the innings
Blast हो
highlights
गया ये।
brought to you by Al Hayat Group. Let's see how the 208 came about.
Yeah, complete performance, really led by the captain. Just outstanding batting control. Never tried to overhit the ball. You just see here, he really got a sharp chance there. That was difficult. Umar Amin played so well, as did Sohail. There were shots all around the ground. Bowling was a mixed bag. Short, wide, too many balls just set up to be hit. That was the wicket. But the captain just continued on his merry way. He had some beautiful strikes. His timing
ये
was
देखें
impeccable.
इसको चेंज करेंगे
Yeah, it was long. That was the best for me. Didn't try and overhit it. That's really great timing. Umar Akmal came in and went out. Tried to hit one too many. But it was Umar Amin's show. There's no doubt about that. Another wicket falling. They're all in vain, really. Had a little opportunity there where they thought maybe they could make some inroads, but it wasn't to be. That was one over square leg, which I particularly enjoyed. There was no stopping him on his way to the first 100. Couple of wickets at the end. 200, the score. Nisha's down there. Who have you got?
Thank you so much. The game is very much on at the ZKB since February 2024. The match is being played between
तो 2G 3G IC बिल्कुल फारिग हो गया डैमेज हो गया ब्लास्ट हो गया ठीक है ना तो अब इसको चेंज करेंगे फिर चेक करते हैं तकरीबन 99% ये ठीक हो जाएगा
बहुत ही शानदार इनिंग्स आपने आज खेली पिछले मैच में भी आपने 46 किए थे उससे पहले भी आप 40 बना दिए
इसीलिए सर्विस नहीं आ रही थी
कैसा महसूस करें नेशनल बैंक के में
और इसके अंदर मुझे इज्जत दी कि मैंने करना चाहिए इतना जाके बेहतर हो सकता मैं
ये टूर्नामेंट है सिंपल वर्जिन प्राइस है हम देखने को हम इंतजार करेंगे कि कब ऐसे प्राइस देखेंगे तो सिंपल वर्जिन प्राइस आज आप सामने आए जैसे उनके बारे में मुझे थोड़ा सा बताएंगे क्योंकि आप अपने यहाँ प्लेट जिस 22 में होते थे तो कैसे टीम इसके साथ कैसे चले माशाल्लाह हमारे सब मैनेजमेंट मोहन भाई सारे जो हमारी टीम ओनर है नेपाल वंशी जाशेर भाई ये भाई माशाल्लाह सब ऐसे खेल के रखा हुआ कि हमें लग नहीं रहा कि हम पहली बार मिल रहे हैं ऐसा चीज करके
ये देखें ब्लास्ट हो गया ये देखें साइड पे फट गया बिल्कुल इसको चेंज करेंगे
Yeah, I like that. These kind of stories, 22 years of age, getting this opportunity,
ये मेरे पास एक सेम बोर्ड पड़ा है तो ऐसा करते हैं मेरे पास एक और वीवो का भी बोर्ड पड़ा है ये सेम नहीं है तो इस तरह करते हैं पहले इसको लगा के देखते हैं ये डेड है इसका ये डेड बोर्ड है ये फिर भी कोई ना कोई जुगाड़ हो जाएगा इसको लगा के देखते हैं आईसी को नंबर सेम नहीं है ट्राई करके देखते हैं अगर चलता है तो वरना फिर वही लगाएंगे जैन महराज भाई मामा फोन करें दिख लिए जल्दी जाओ जल्दी जाओ
Get the wicket early on of Shajir Khan. That will definitely get chances for Sakar as well. Welcome with me. Nick Bumsky. Very good afternoon.
जाओ महराज जाओ मामा बुला रही है चेक करके देते चेक कीते पता है ये प्लस माइनस के अड़ाई ने बना तो ली
They need to do something special. It's all about that man. Shajir Khan on the screen. You know what he's capable of.
हो
You
चुप
know that required a big innings from him. It needs to be more than 20 or 30. He needs to go on to get a really big score.
महराज दा फौज आ
And yes, from the 20 overs, it's a mammoth after, a mammoth total, considering the scores have to be big in those in-the-day games. Can they do it, Ali Bar? Well, it's all depends how Shajir Khan plays. We've been here 4 days now. The pitch looks different. I think this is the best chance for Shajir Khan to do it. So the ball is coming nicely onto the bat. But he'll have to do whatever I mean there. He'll have to respect the ballers, respect to the right ball, and hit the right ball. Yeah, I think Simon Butt at the pitch report was absolutely spot on. He said it was a belter, as you say in England. Very true with it. That one. Oh, yeah. Such a nice wicket.
ये देखें
Bat on it. No demons.
ये वाला उतार रहा है
With his big bat these days. Played innings of the tournament so far. Winning the first century. Salman Hani.
क्या पका रहे हो चलो ले जाओ चाचू से ले लो मैं फिर देता हूँ
Get them off to a good start as well. There's a slip in place.
टूकदार पे भी शैल है कि दे जा
Oh, the game's quite clear. Went after it. Running between the wickets. Nick Compton has been emphasizing on that. Rightly so. Needed a good start. He's disappointed. He's angry. Come on. One wicket down. Just one on the ball. 209 the target. After falling lined up. Good start for them. आपसे बात सुन सकते हैं ना ये बस बात कर रहा हूँ अच्छा स्टार्ट है लेकिन दर्शकों के कामयाब गुलाम आ गए और विकेट अगर आप हासिल कर लेते हैं तो राइट की टॉप ऑन टॉप हो जाएंगे सेकंड बड़ा अच्छा है बड़ा काफी अच्छा होगा और अभी उनको स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा उसमें हमें विकेट लेती है तो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है वो लीडर Oh, that's gone through. Gone through the fielder. Good backward punch by Kamran Ghulam. What a good start that is by him. The better effort was required from the fielder. Cannot afford to get easy ones. That is something that will make the environment happy, that's for sure. Welcome runs though for the Patriots. Whether they can get how good a player he is. He's catching Shajir. Oh! Hold it! He's called it! Oh no! Second wicket shot on, and it goes from bad to worse. Sure he does. Oh, he's disappointed.
जब भी हम खिलाड़ियों से बात करते हैं ना तो
ये देखें, ये वीवो एक और मॉडल का मैंने आईसी लगाया है। ये देखें, ये पहले वाला है जो डैमेज आईसी है, वह 12 है। ये कौन सा मॉडल है उसका आईसी लगाया है। सेम नंबर नहीं है लेकिन चेक करके देख सकते हैं, वरना फिर सेम नंबर भी पड़ा तो है। Y20 का बोर्ड मेरे पास भी है, उससे उतारेंगे, अभी चेक करके देख लेते हैं।
राजनपुर में 20 दानिश स्कूल बनाए ताकि पसमानदगी दूर हो सके। 14 साल पहले सैलाब की तबाही के बाद बहारी तक हर वक्त आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर रहा।
स्टेट बैंक का सरहद 22% पर बरकरार रखने का फैसला। 1.5 माह के लिए नई मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी का ऐलान कर दिया। स्टेट बैंक का कहना है गुज़श्ता माह महंगाई की शरह 29% थी।
दहशतगर्दी के मुश्तरका चैलेंज के खिलाफ मुश्तरका कार्रवाई और मजबूत लाएअमल की जरूरत है। पाकिस्तान और ईरान ने दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ अपने अपने इलाकों में कार्रवाई पर इत्तेफाक किया। निगरान वज़ीर ख़ारजा जलील अब्बास ज़िलानी के ईरानी वज़ीर ख़ारजा की हमरा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस। ईरानी वज़ीर ख़ारजा ने कहा पाक ईरान सरहद पर दहशतगर्दों को तीसरा मुल्क सहूलत फराहम कर रहा है। दहशतगर्दी रोकने के लिए मुश्तरका कार्रवाई करें।
कौमी इक़्तिसादी काउंसिल का इजलास। मुल्क की मईशत से मुताल्लिक़ अहम फैसले किए जाएंगे।
एक ब्रेक के बाद देखिए प्रोग्राम में करेगा।
देखते रहिए ARY।
शील्ड दोबारा लगाएंगे, अगर सर्विस चेक करके ना उसके बाद लगाएंगे। देख लेते हैं कि आई है कि नहीं।
एक मिनट नसीम भाई, ये गलत क्या भी ये कौन साफ करेगा? एक्सप्रेस पर
ये सारे दाम तो हम पहले से साफ कर रहे हैं बच्चों। भलाई में बराबर और बचत पूरे 200 रुपए की।
शादी की दावत एक बार पाकिस्तान नंबर 1 रेसिपी फिजिक्स।
ये वाला आईसी फटा हुआ था इसका। अभी चेक करते हैं कि सर्विस आई है या नहीं।
अच्छा आएगा, खिदमत करेगा, अपनी माँ की तरह।
पहला वोट होगा आपका। बात हो रही थी, बात हो रही थी, लोकल पॉलिटिक्स मैटर नहीं कर रही है अभी तक। नहीं, मेरा विचार कि लोकल पॉलिटिक्स बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है, क्योंकि मीडिया
ये देखें फुल सर्विस आ गई है इसकी।
एक्सेस है ना, मेन लीडर्स के तक एक्सेस है, उनके ख्यालात।
तो आज आपने देख लिया कि कोई भी आईसी लगा के दे सकते हैं, बस पॉइंट मैच हो जाए। वीवो का ही हो सेम। अगर आपके पास नंबर नहीं है आईसी का 2G 3 वाले आईसी का, तो फिर आप कोई भी लगा दें, चेक कर लें। क्योंकि ये देख लें आपके सामने ही किया है, सिग्नल आ गया इसके। कॉल करके भी चेक कर सकते हैं।
Dear customer, please recharge your account at the earliest. To stay connected and avoid withdrawal of free.
कॉल एंडेड। ओके हो गया जनाब। 2G 3G 4G आईसी भी देख लेते हैं उसका कवर कर रहा है या नहीं, क्योंकि आईसी हमने और मॉडल का लगाया है। तो यहाँ पे जैज़ की सर्विस सही नहीं आती, तो भी चेक कर देख सकते हैं कि ये आ रहा है, ऑटो पे है तो फिर उठा ही लेगा, क्योंकि हमारे पास ना इसकी जैज़ की सर्विस सही नहीं आती। ठीक है, बाहर जाएं तो 4G आता है, अंदर नहीं आता। तो मैं अंदर हूँ शॉप के,
पश्चिमी सीरिया में और लेबनान की तरफ
तो
हिजबुल्लाह
भी
का
ये देख लेते हैं कि ऑटो पे है या नहीं।
तो शायद अमेरिका की जो फौजें हैं यहाँ टास्क उनके लिए जरूरत से ज्यादा फैल जाएगा।
ऐसे ही है अभी 2G पे 4G पे लगा के देखते हैं।
इजराइल का हमास को खत्म करने का मिशन अभी जारी है, लेकिन इसी बीच लेबनान बॉर्डर पर भी बारूदी
भी 4G पे लगा दिया है।
हिजबुल्लाह के ठिकानों पर इजरायली सेना कहर बनकर टूट पड़ी। लेबनान इजराइल बॉर्डर पर इजरायली सेना का ये जंगी अभ्यास संकेत दे रहा है कि गाजा के बाद लेबनान में इजराइल कुछ बड़ा करने वाला है। कुल मिलाकर गाजा में इजरायली हमले के बाद जंग के कई मोर्चे खुल चुके हैं। इसमें सबसे खतरनाक मोर्चा मिडिल ईस्ट का है, जहां ईरान के खिलाफ अमेरिका कभी भी बड़ी
देखिए अंदर नहीं आ रही सर्विसेज की।
अमेरिका अपने पूरे लाव लश्कर के साथ मौजूद है। मिडिल ईस्ट में अमेरिका के 45
ये देखिए ये आ गया है,
सबसे ज्यादा अमेरिकी सैनिक कुवैत में तैनात हैं। कुवैत के
क्योंकि अंदर सर्विस नहीं आती जैज़ की, तो ऑटो पे लगा हुआ है। 4G पे भी सिलेक्टेड है ऑटो, तो ये इंशाल्लाह बिल्कुल ओके हो गया है। तो आपने अगर ऐसी अच्छी वीडियो देखनी है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें, क्योंकि कोई भी वीडियो आए तो मिस ना हो, आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। ओके, डन हो गया। अल्लाह हाफिज़।